Okay, I got the camera set up, just, damn it, oh, it doesn't want to stay on the pillow, but, you know, Sonic and I, we got to talking. He called me this morning, and, there he is again, he called me this morning, and he had talked to his dad about, like, gay marriage, I guess, like, civil, shit, I'm gonna catch myself on fire. Anyway, talked about, like, the differences between gay marriage and civil unions, and we got to talking about it, and we couldn't really figure out the difference between, like, a civil union, and so I got up and decided, hey, this is going to be a good video, so I'm just going to talk about gay marriage, civil unions, and domestic partnerships. And so, marriage basically is just, you know, a legal status recognized. It's cultures, all cultures, countries, religions, and basically just establishes a legal kinship between you and your spouse. Now, civil unions exist in very few places. I think Vermont, Connecticut, and New Jersey. And California and Vermont have domestic partnerships, I think. Or it might be Oregon, but I'm not really sure on that. But they offer some of the same rights as civil unions, but not all of them. Vermont civil unions they were created in 2000 to provide legal protection because marriage wasn't or isn't an option, but these protections, they don't extend beyond the border of the state they're received in. No federal protections are included with the civil union. They offer some of the same rights and responsibilities as marriage, but only on a state level. And domestic partnerships, some states, they have domestic partnerships, like registries, but no domestic partnership law is the same. Some, like in California, they come with many rights and responsibilities, but others, like the one in Washington State, doesn't offer many benefits.
I just talked to Rick.
Dad, I'm making a video.
I just talked to Rick.
I'm making a video.
I just sit there and talk to Rick.
This is going online.
Talking about those plans.
Dad.
He says, "That's pretty."
I'm sorry. My dad, he kind of interrupted. But anyway, back to the topic we were talking about. Each state has its own laws on marriage. And there's something on my forehead, I'm sorry. But if someone is married in one state and say they move to another state, their marriage is recognized. But for example, if a 17-year-old gets married in Oregon and goes to Washington, where you have to be 18 to get married, then Washington's going to recognize that marriage. This is not the case with civil unions. In fact, two states, Connecticut and Georgia, they have ruled that they don't have to recognize civil unions performed in Vermont. But the states, they don't have any sort of legal category for that. But civil unions aren't recognized by the federal government, so that means couples can't file joint tax returns and tax breaks. They're not eligible for tax breaks or protections from the government that they can afford to offer to married couples. But in '97, I think it's the General Accounting Office released a list of like 1,049 benefits to heterosexual couples, and those benefits range from federal benefits like survivor benefits from Social Security, sick leave, like to come and care for the ailing partner, tax breaks, veterans benefits, just insurance through your employer, making decisions if your partner's not able to, and civil unions protect some of these rights, but not all of them. And a lot of people, well, can a lawyer just set this up? No. There's only some things, like durable power of attorney, wills, medical power of attorney, but there's a lot of problems with that. Like, there's tons of thousands of dollars in legal fees. Damn it, I keep saying I will not be another person. But oh god, no, not oh jeez. I'm just gonna hide. I shouldn't be doing this, but hey. But a simple marriage license for like less than $100, it covers all the benefits and everything. Another thing, any of these can be challenged in court, and more wills are challenged than not. And in any case, a legal spouse is going to have what's it called? Shit. I'm drawing a blank. They're always going to have more power than the family members. Marriage laws are universal. If you accidentally, like if an accident happens and all you need to do is like show up at the hospital and tell them, it's like, hey, he or she is my husband or wife, and boom, they're going to take you right there to your partner's side. However, if you show up with all your paperwork, they're going to be like, they're not going to know what to do with you. You're not going to be questioned if you're just like, hey, that's my husband or wife. And even though some states have the gay marriage, federal government defense of marriage law prohibits the federal government from recognizing any homosexual relationships. And this puts gays and lesbians in a legal limbo, which, what are they really going to file on their tax returns? But, it's not like that. We got to talking about it, and just as far as, like, what comes with what, and, like, kind of like a package deal, like, what benefits are with this and that. I mean, you're going to check something out before into, marriage, of course, is not way down till the road or wherever, but I don't know, it is something to talk about as far as benefits and everything, all that, because it is stupid. Because how can gay marriage affect straight marriage? You don't have gay men or lesbians out here. You don't have them running after straight people. You have, straight people aren't going to marry, a straight man isn't going to marry a gay man. A straight woman's not going to marry a lesbian. And it's a really fucked up deal. I just don't understand why you can. Here in Tennessee, I forget what it's called, but you can marry inanimate objects here. Now, how fucking stupid is that? You can marry your car here. I don't understand. It's like they're like more so wanting to pass childish laws and shit like that when there are people out here that have a family. There's a man and a woman, yeah, they may have a family and everything, they're happy, and why can't you have 2 women or 2 men or just whoever wants to get married? Let them, if they love one another. That's what marriage is. Marriage is love. It's not just a piece of paper. It's, like I said, recognized globally. I mean, even if it says, oh, it's not federally recognized, I don't know. It's kind of hard to explain. It is a big topic. I figured it would be a pretty long video. But, other than that, I think I'm pretty much done talking about issues, gay and marriage, and all that. And, yeah. So, I guess that wraps it up. I will make another video later.